Hello friends, God bless you and welcome on today's video. I am cleaning my chandelier, the kitchen, and my lights on today, and this is not an easy process. I'm just using my microfiber cloth and vinegar and water. And I'm telling you, cleaning one chandelier at a time is not easy, and it's definitely needed because it is so dusty. Thank you so much for stopping in. So here I am in the kitchen taking these lights apart. I had to cut the lights off because it's not going to show up great in the videos. But the lights have little buggies on them. I don't know why the bugs love the light. So friends, I'm going to soak these lights as I take them down, these light shields, in some bleach and Dawn and get it clean. And that's it. And then I'm going to clean off my light switch. And yes, that light switch is sticky, so I had to use some oil band to spray up there, and I covered the light switch so it won't get wet. And this is to clean it. It looks so much better. Friends, this is a collaboration kitchen clean with Melissa from the Buckeye Reef Girls and Things, and also Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel. Friends, before I clean my chair, I want to share with you this lint remover I ordered from Amazon for the couch. And sometimes when you clean the chair, it get linty. Don't know why, but I have a few lint spots. And I just want to share this with you to show you my new toy I got. And it works perfectly. It removes all those lint off of your chair. So I'd have to thank my daughter-in-law for that because she bought one to show me what it did. And I said, wow, I got to get one of those because I have lint on my chair. Because sometimes when you wipe the chair and if you don't wipe within the pattern of the chair, some chair can get lint. So friends, I'm sharing this with you to give you a help along the way. Get you a lint remover. And this machine has 3 different blades. Friends, I wanted to share this with you. This is not sponsored, but I wanted to share this because just in case you're dealing with lint like I am. So I hope that this helps. And to use it, you do not have to rub it too hard, just gently over the couch. That's it. And sometimes if it's not taking off the lint, you might have to change the blade to a longer blade. But I love it, and it did help my couch. So there it is. You can see the lint inside of it, and it's easy to take off. So I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And the first thing I'm going to do is remove all the cushions so I can vacuum under this couch. Friends, as I do this, just let you know, this is week 14 and 15 of the 16-week cleaning challenge. We started out in the kitchen, then we changed it to clean my space. So the other ladies, if anyone do it, they'll maybe just be doing something different. Now, next week, the Lord said the same. Week 16 is our final week, and we're going to clean the pantry. So if you want to join us, you are welcome. So guys, this is so easy to do. Just clean your space. Thank you so much for watching. today I'm going to use this Folette. It's actually a carpet spot remover, but this stuff works so good. I'm gonna try it on my couch. But I got it from Home Depot. But just test it if you're gonna try it on the back part of the bottom of your couch. But I've tried it before and it works for me. But most of the time I use Awesome at the Dollar Tree. It really works. Now the only spot I was dealing with is in the middle part, and I'm going to spray this and let it soak a little bit. As you see when I was doing the lint removing, that's the only spot I saw in the middle. But I'm going to use it and just let it set for a few minutes, and then I'm going to put some hot water, warm water, in a pan with some Dawn, and I'm going to use some Lysol disinfectant. I'm not going to use the vinegar and water in this one because I don't want the chair to smell like vinegar, so I'll use the Lysol. And that's all I'm doing with this. Now I do have removable cushions, but I just never took this off because I said I didn't want to have to fight to put it back on. And that's it. And when you use the Dawn dish detergent, just do 1 drop. Don't put much. I didn't put much soap, but just a little bit. Okay, friends, my shout out goes today to Miss Renee Pretty Things channel, and I will have her channel link in my description box. She is so faithful. Ever since I met her, she's a young YouTuber starting out, guys. Please go and connect with her and help her channel to grow. Ever since I've started out, she has always connected with me and many others doing collabs. I'm telling you, she's a great supporter. I thank you so much, Renee. So shout out to Miss Renee, and I hope you have a blessed, prosperous day. Friends, I do have a few things, some you cannot see, my grandchildren. I've had this chair for probably about 5 years or so, and I bought it from Wayfair. So it is in good shape, I must say. So I just keep it clean and wipe the spots off and keep the little children off it. And all I'm using is this little brush I got from TJ Maxx for about $3 and a microfiber cloth. And I'm just using it in the beginning just to, softly scrub the stains, because you want a soft brush. You don't want nothing harsh on your chair. And I'm just going to wrap it as I wet the microfiber cloth and just scrub a few stains. But after a while, I realized I really don't even need that brush, because the product that I put on there to clean it, I was looking at it. Guys, I'm telling you, it really cleared it up. And I'm like, what? But as you do this, make sure you take your time. Don't overwet your chair, and just gradually do it. It's a process, and it will come out. And if you want to use clear water afterwards to make sure you got all residue off the products, you can still do that. But I find out this is the best budget way for me to do this. I started to order a couch cleaner, one of those machines, but they're all over $100 and plus. So unless somebody is sponsoring me with one, I'm not going to buy one. This does work for me. But one thing I do, and I have learned with this, is make sure that when you wipe down your couch and you clean it, that you go in with the fabric, because I think that's what had caused my lint to get on this chair, because I wasn't wiping with the fabric, the design of your fabric, the pattern. After the chair dried down, I will spray some Scotch God is a stain protector. Okay, friends, here's the spot that's gone. So I just want to share that with you that it does work. So only thing I'm telling you, please test it before you use it, even on your carpet. Friends, thank you so much for following me with this challenge. So tell me, what do you think? And what do you use to clean your couches? I want to thank my co-hosts for collabing with me, and their links will be in my description box. And shout out to Pretty Things channel, will link be in my description box. I thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly appreciate it. And friends, remember, you're too blessed to be stressed. Love you from Penny. Bye-bye until I see you on my next video.